Let's see how to create neon light effect using Premiere Pro. So this is my text. Then I'm going to effects and searching here, drop shadow, and adding the drop shadow effect to my clips. After selecting the clips, I'm just going to effect control, and here we can see the drop shadow effect. So clicking on shadow color, and now I'm selecting my neon effect color and opacity, give here 100%. And now we have to copy this drop shadow effect for 6 times. So after selecting drop shadow, press Ctrl C, and now press Ctrl V for 6 times. And now in first drop shadow, give softness value 10%, and in second drop shadow softness, give 50%. In third drop shadow softness, give 100%. In fourth drop shadow, give softness 200%. And in next drop shadow field, softness give 400%, and after that give 1000%, and in last drop shadow effect, softness give 2000%. And then here, as you can see, a drop neon color effect created. And now select the selection tool and just scroll up here, select motion, and now you can increase your text size. You can also drag your text to change position, and this is how you can actually create neon light effect.